This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to a website in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To hyperlink text to a website in Word, it's very easy to do. Say that this text right here, I wanted to hyperlink to google.com. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is select the text that you want to hyperlink. I'm going to click on the text. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, drag across it to where I have the text selected that I want to hyperlink. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab, and click on the Insert tab. Then on the ribbon, you want to go about halfway down to where it says Link and click on Link. Then you want to go straight down to where it says Insert Link and click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want the pane off to the left hand side. You want to make sure you're on Existing File or Web Page. Then you'll go down to where it says Address, and you want to paste in the URL of the website you want that text to be linked to. I'm going to paste in google.com. Then you'll go down to the bottom of the dialog box and click on OK. Now as you can see, that has changed to a link. If I put my mouse cursor over it, it says it's hyperlinked to the google.com URL, and it says if I want to test this, hold down the control key while I left click on it. I'm going to hold down the control key, I'm going to left click on it, and it opens up the website that I had the text linked to. That is how to hyperlink text to a website in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.